We're here at the CVC 2026 in Amsterdam. I'm here with Dmitriy Slutskiy. Dmitry, welcome. Can you tell me a bit about yourself?
Well, I'm a research engineer at NG company. This is one of the world leaders in energy transition, and I work precisely in a research center which makes deal with especially renewable energies. In particular, I am a computer vision specialist, and I treat data to make maintenance for wind turbines, for solar panels and other energy assets.
Okay, why is that important?
Since just like any asset, it can fall, it can break, and to make it working, and each reparation costs a big bill.
Yeah.
So we need to predict see the problem as early as possible to avoid big problems later.
Makes perfect sense. Tell me a bit about your current research. What are you doing?
Well, currently with my team, we do many different projects. There is a part of the team who is in charge of data acquisition. They develop new captures. Another part of our team, they put these capturers on drones and robots, and they actually produce a big amount of data with different assets. And then there is a machine learning part, which I'm a part of, and we try to use this data to help to our field engineers.
Okay. And during all of your research, is there any moment where you thought, this is weird, I would have never expected this?
Since we have many different assets, working with each asset is already a new experience.
Okay, yeah.
For instance, looking at the images of wind turbines, they seem very small, but in reality, the tower is 80 meters high, and the blade is 45 meters.
That's
meters
huge.
length. Yes.
Yeah.
So when you see this in reality, this makes impression. Also, the interaction between with field engineers is the essential part of the work. Since I'm not a specialist in these assets, they are specialists, and we reuse their knowledge, their annotation they produce to make intelligent system to help them in their daily work.
So working together is really important for you.
That is the goal, the clue, value of our work, yes.
Okay, makes sense. Now you've been at the conference for a day and a half roughly. How's the conference been for you so far?
Yes, it was great to attend this conference since I've met many interesting people. I saw the new advances and especially the applications of this new advances in computer vision into different fields. And now I have more clear ideas how these new technologies could be applied to the assets I deal with daily. Thank you.
Dmitry, thank you so much for your time, and please enjoy the rest of the conference.
Okay, thank you very much.